Looking for a bidet toilet seat and have no idea where to start? No worries, I've done all the research so you don't have to spend hours comparing specs and reviews. Today I'm breaking down 7 of the best options available in Europe, from high-tech smart seats to simple mechanical ones, each with its own personality. I'll tell you the pros, the cons, and who each one is best for. All the links are in the description, so let's get into it. We're starting with the Tokyo Seat L-MSC403L, a French brand that has taken the best of Japanese technology and adapted it for the European market. What I love most about this model is the instant heating system. Unlike those with a tank that runs empty in half a minute and leaves you with cold water mid-wash, this one heats the water on demand as it flows, so you get unlimited warm water. That's a massive win for larger families or anyone who likes to take their time. Picture a winter morning where the third person using the bathroom gets the exact same experience as the first. The nozzle is made of 304 stainless steel, which resists bacteria and limescale far better than plastic. You get 5 pressure levels and 3 temperature settings for both the water and the heated seat, plus a specific feminine hygiene mode that changes the angle and spray pattern. The Eco mode keeps consumption super low when not in use, only activating when it detects someone sitting down. In areas with hard water, you'll want to descale occasionally to keep the mechanism running smoothly, but that's normal maintenance. Installation is straightforward, just plug it in and you're done. No plumbing work needed. Now, if you're all about maximum technology and have a small bathroom where every centimeter counts, the Nashi Compact Pro is going to blow your mind. This isn't just a bidet seat, it's a complete integrated system that changes the game entirely. It works without a traditional cistern thanks to a cyclonic flush system that uses water pressure incredibly efficiently, creating a vortex that cleans the bowl with less water. It takes up much less space and works well even in older houses with average water pressure. But wait, here's the best part. The lid opens automatically when you approach. It has sensors that detect your presence and lift the lid on their own, 0 hands, 0 contact. And when you stand up, it flushes automatically. It's like having a 5-star hotel bathroom at home. It does need an electrical connection, so make sure you have an outlet near the toilet. But if you want the bathroom of the future and you're into smart home tech, this is definitely the way to go. The Vovo VB4000 SE comes from Korea and packs an insane amount of features into one unit. What makes it special is the ultraviolet light sterilization that disinfects the nozzle and bowl between uses, eliminating bacteria without any chemicals. It also has Turbo Wash mode, a concentrated high-pressure stream specifically designed to help with constipation issues. If you have specific digestive needs or simply want that extra deep clean, this is something very few bidets offer and it makes a real difference. It also includes a deodorizer with activated carbon filter, a heated seat with multiple temperature settings, a warm air dryer so you don't depend on paper, and an LED night light so you don't have to turn on the bathroom light at 3 in the morning. Now, all that technology comes packaged in an ABS plastic housing that over the years and with the heat cycles from the seat can become more fragile. It's not going to break tomorrow, but if you're looking for something to last decades, the next one might interest you more. For anyone who wants loads of features and specific functions like that therapeutic turbo wash, the Vovo delivers brilliantly. Speaking of durability, the Nashi Deluxe Pro is made with a material called Resix that is basically indestructible. Most seats use ABS plastic that isn't designed to sit on, but Resix is a thermosetting compound similar to kitchen countertop material. The result? You can sit on the closed lid without any problem. It handles over 150 kilos easily. That turns your toilet into an extra seat for the bathroom, perfect for getting dressed, clipping your toenails, applying lotion, or supervising kids in the bath. The drying system with moved function oscillates the air for faster and more efficient drying. It has an integrated night light and the lid closes with a soft damper to avoid slamming. It doesn't have as many automatic functions as the Compact Pro, but absolutely everything it does have is built to last a lifetime. If you're the type who buys once and wants to forget about it for 20 years, this is your model without question. Complete change of direction now. The Brondell Swash S101 doesn't need any electricity at all. 0. It runs purely on your home's water pressure, making it perfect for rental flats where you can't do installations or for bathrooms without an outlet near the toilet. By using direct pressure from the supply instead of an electric pump, the spray actually comes out quite strong. More powerful than many electric bidets, in fact. The control is a physical dial connected to a ceramic valve, the same material used in quality kitchen taps, so it lasts hundreds of thousands of cycles without leaking or wearing out. You get posterior and frontal wash simply by turning the dial one direction or the other. It connects only to cold water, which in summer is actually pleasant and refreshing. Many people get used to it quickly, even in winter, because that fresh, clean feeling has its appeal. In homes with very high municipal pressure, the minimum setting might still be a bit intense, but that's easily solved by closing the supply valve a little. The reliability is outstanding precisely because there's nothing electronic that can fail. The Yopi Pro takes a completely different approach, being as aesthetically discreet as possible. Most electronic bidets add a considerable bulge to the back of the toilet that screams medical device from across the room. Yopi has managed to miniaturize the entire mechanism so the profile is much slimmer and more elegant, almost like a normal seat. The dual nozzle disperses water instead of concentrating it in one spot, creating an aerated spray that's much softer and gentler. This is ideal if you have hemorrhoids, are in postpartum recovery, or simply prefer a more delicate sensation. The trade-off is that being so gentle, you might need a bit more time to achieve the same level of cleanliness as a concentrated stream. The seat has soft close, a quick-release system for easy cleaning underneath, and being non-electric, the installation has no complications whatsoever. If bathroom aesthetics matter to you and you want the gentlest option for your body, the Yopi is a very interesting choice. And we finish with the Samodra, which is the most accessible entry point into the world of bidets. It's a complete toilet seat with the bidet already integrated, available in D-shape and O-shape to fit practically any toilet on the market. It works with water pressure directly, no electricity, which simplifies installation enormously, and you don't have to worry about finding outlets. The nozzle is retractable and offers both posterior and feminine wash with adjustable pressure to suit your preferences. The lid has soft close to avoid slamming, and the finish looks clean and professional, as if it came factory fitted with the toilet. Like all non-electric models, the water comes out at ambient temperature, refreshing in summer and a bit cool in winter until you get used to it. With very positive reviews, it's a solid option for anyone who wants to discover the bidet world without complications or making a big initial investment. Right, let's recap so you know exactly what to get. If you want the most technological experience with automatic lid opening and tankless flush, the Nashi Compact Pro is next level. Looking for unlimited warm water with a stainless steel nozzle? The Tokyo seat is a safe bet. Need therapeutic functions like turbo wash and UV sterilization? The Vovo gives you everything. Prefer something indestructible where you can sit on the lid? The Nashi Deluxe Pro lasts decades. No outlet or living in a rental? The Brondell S101 works without electricity and is incredibly reliable. Care about aesthetics and want a gentle spray? Yopi Pro keeps a low profile. And if you want to try a complete seat without any hassle, the Samodra is your perfect entry point. All the links are in the description for you to check out. If this helped you, subscribe for more comparisons like this. Tell me in the comments which one convinced you, and I'll see you in the next video.